Understanding lawn treatment. A guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the interesting world of gardening vocabulary, specifically focusing on the term lawn treatment. This topic is not only useful for those who love gardening, but also for anyone looking to enhance their English vocabulary. Let's get started. Before understanding lawn treatment, it's essential to know what a lawn is. A lawn is an area of soil-covered land, typically planted with grasses or other durable plants. Lawns are usually maintained at a short height and are commonly found in gardens, parks, and around houses. They are a key element in landscaping and add aesthetic value to outdoor spaces. The phrase, lawn treatment, refers to the various methods and practices used to keep a lawn healthy and attractive. This involves fertilization, adding nutrients to the soil to promote healthy grass growth; weed control, removing or preventing unwanted plants that compete with the grass; pest control, managing insects or animals that might damage the lawn; aeration, creating small holes in the soil to allow air, water, and nutrients to penetrate the grass roots; watering and mowing, regular maintenance practices to keep the lawn in good condition. Lawn treatment is crucial for several reasons. Health of the lawn. Proper treatment ensures the grass is healthy, which makes it more resilient to pests and diseases. Aesthetic appeal. A well-maintained lawn enhances the beauty of a property. Environmental benefits. Healthy lawns contribute to a better environment by producing oxygen and providing habitats for various forms of wildlife. Maintaining a lawn is not always easy. Some common challenges include choosing the right products, understanding what products are best for your lawn type. Weather conditions. Extreme weather can affect lawn health. Pest and disease management. Identifying and controlling lawn pests and diseases. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what lawn treatment entails and why it's important. Remember, a healthy lawn not only improves the look of your surroundings but also contributes positively to the environment. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.